A trick to remove the snap ring. The snap ring fits into the groove of the floor end of the sink flange. When you are working at the sink, it prevents the upper mounting bracket from falling off. Removing the snap ring can be frustrating, unless you know this trick. Starting at the break in the ring, insert a trim blade screw between the ring and the flange. Let's show you. Yes, find the breaking place and by this way you take the snap ring out, and then you will get the following part. Let's show you. This is the upper mounting ring. Yes, this pen, this is the paper gasket, this is the rubber gasket. Yes, you will get this in.